Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soufflé pancakes easy. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for best results. You'll need about 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Separate the egg whites from the yolks, placing them in separate, clean bowls. This careful separation is crucial for achieving that signature fluffy texture. Now let's prepare the batter. In the bowl with the egg yolks, whisk in the milk and flour until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. In the other bowl, beat the egg whites with the sugar until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This meringue is the secret to the pancake's height. Gently fold about 1/3 of the meringue into the yolk mixture, then add the remaining meringue, folding until just combined. Cooking these pancakes requires a gentle touch. Heat your non-stick pan over low to medium-low heat. Lightly grease it if needed. Spoon about 3 tablespoons of batter per pancake onto the pan, forming thick, round shapes. Add a small splash of water to the pan, away from the pancakes, and immediately cover it with a lid. Let them steam for about 3 minutes until they rise beautifully. After 3 minutes, gently flip the pancakes and cook them for another 2 minutes, still covered, until golden brown and cooked through. Serve your soufflé pancakes immediately. They are best enjoyed fresh with your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup. Remember, the key is gentle handling and not overmixing for that incredible airy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.